Reddit is still feared by so many marketers. You are probably afraid of Reddit. It's okay. I get it. Reddit is a place that will tell you where to go and how to get there as soon as you try to market on Reddit. But I love Reddit. I think Reddit is a great place for marketers to be, but you have to understand the code. And the code is this. You can't spam these networks. You can't spam the various subreddits and communities. You have to go in with value. And if you want to win, I would recommend that you don't go in overly promotional. You don't go into a community and you say, look at what I have done. No, you're going to plug other things that other people have done. You're going to share things that have nothing to do with your business, and then eventually, subtly, throughout a bunch of different dialogue about other people, you will subtly reference yourself as well. I've done this time and time again. People have said, what are the best things that you need to know about marketing on Reddit? That will be a question, as a question on Reddit. Let's say that's the question. I will go into that question and I will link to and reference a bunch of great resources on how to do marketing on Reddit. And then within all of those, one of them out of 6 will be my own piece. By doing that, I am already adding value to the community. The community sees that value. They say, wow, I am appreciative of all of this value that Ross has given me on Reddit. Then as they scroll, they'll see one piece that is a plug for my own content, and they will be less likely to get upset because I've included 1 out of 6 links to myself.